Look who's the patient today. Me. Getting my earlobes repaired. Come with me on my journey to get my ear piercings repaired. It is so much easier than you think. Oh my God, look how stretched out they are right here. The first thing Dr. Justin does is he cuts out the old hole. That way the skin will adhere to each other and the piercing can disappear. And then he sutures it up ever so gently, as you can see here. And it is pretty much closed and done at that point. It does take a little bit of time to heal. I say that I probably waited about 3 months to get it done. Here you see him doing my left side, which isn't as bad as my right. My right side seems to get inflamed every time I would wear certain earrings or something like that. But my left side started acting up too. I felt like I was close to getting the hole like ripped all the way through. So I said I need to do something about it. I wore this tape, which protected the holes for, I can't remember, maybe 2 weeks or so before they came off. And then I waited about 3 months before re-piercing my ears. I really wanted my earlobes to be really, really soft, and I wanted to make sure that I had the hole in the perfect spot that I wanted it, and just wanted to make sure there was no inflammation that would affect me getting them re-pierced. And here they are re-pierced months later. And yeah, they look great, and I'm super, super happy, and my earrings sit normally on my ears now. If you need to get this done or interested, call Ideal Face and Body today.